guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from camera roll. So let's get started. So now what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application, what you can do is just tap on the upload icon or the photo icon, which you can find in the bottom left corner of your screen. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on camera roll and then select the following videos or photos that you want to add to My Eyes Only. So for example, I'll just select this one and select some of the photos, and now if you want to add them, then what you can do is just simply tap on hide, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you will find move to My Eyes Only option. Just simply tap on move, and after tapping on move, now you have successfully added to My Eyes Only. So not only for photos, it also works for videos. So just simply select a video. So for example, I'll just select this video, and after selecting it, you will find the hide icon. Just simply tap on hide and then tap on move, and now you have successfully moved the video to My Eyes Only. So that's it guys, this is how to add videos to My Eyes Only on Snapchat from camera roll. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.